vlogs back in the house. Yes, sir. Trying something a little bit different here. Using just a stationary camera today to do some recording. I've been wanting to record actually for a while. The last time I was on here was the first day of orientation with Mesilla Valley Transportation. And what happened on the third and last day of orientation is I caught the flu. So so for the past week I've been dealing with the flu and the symptoms that come with it, and while also starting a new job it's not something that I had on my bingo card for 2023, but I already checked. But there you go. But I'm still dealing with a little bit of the effects of that. My throat's still dealing with a little bit of dryness, and my sinuses are up and down. But for the most part, this is about the best that I've felt and sound in about a week. So right now I'm in Oklahoma, on my way to Hutchins, Texas, which is just south of Dallas, to go and drop off this current load that I'm on, that I picked up all the way up in Hudson, Wisconsin, and then bringing it all the way down to the Dallas, Texas area. And like I said, I mean, I would have loved to have recorded a little bit of footage during that time, but you wouldn't have been able to understand anything that I was saying. I wasn't really in the mood to talk or anything. I was just in the mood of driving and trying to get as much work as I could done while not feeling 100%. So this is about as good as I felt, like I said, in a week. So I've already been with Mesilla Valley over a week as far as being hired. Of course, I started on the 2nd, and we are now on the 11th of January. So yeah, I've been with them for over a week. I got assigned my truck last Thursday with the company, and so I've been now in the truck for about a week now. In this truck, I've done, this is my third load with the company. Yeah, because my first one was a really short one from San Antonio to Laredo, and then I got one that went from Laredo all the way to Alexandria, Minnesota, and then I picked up in Hudson, and now taking it all the way down to Dallas, Texas. So my third load with I was about to say CFI, with the MVT, and I have a couple, and I mean, I have a couple of, opinions and different things, and so I guess I'll get into those here real quick. I mean, so far with my first 3 loads of MVT, it's about the same as what I was doing with CFI. Your dispatcher gives you the load, and then you go and you pick it up and you drive. That part doesn't really change. The hours of service system doesn't really change. The one thing that does change is it's going to take me a while to get used to it, is the fuel routing. So unlike CFI would give you a fuel route, and it was always kind of more of a, hey, take this route, but it is more really of a suggestion. And sometimes you wouldn't even get a fuel route through CFI. Like, you'd be lucky if you get one. And so a lot of the times I try to at least follow the route as much as I could. And of course, if they gave me fuel stops, if it made sense to me, I would make sure to fuel at those spots. But a lot of the times with CFI, I would just kind of go off of my plan and be like, it'll be better for me to fuel here than it will be to fuel here. Those kinds of things. Well, with MVT, it's a little bit different. MVT, you do have to follow the stops, and if you don't follow the fuel stops that they give you, you're going to get in trouble. Or if you don't come up with an excuse beforehand as to why you don't want to use this fuel stop, then yeah, you'll get docked a penalty and whatnot, and they'll ask questions as to why you didn't go to the fuel stops. So it's a little bit. It's going to be a little bit of me getting used to that, as I'm not particularly. Sorry, the shutter closed. As I'm not particularly used to that kind of setup just yet. dumps everything with you with ease. The Platform Science tablet, I think, is a little bit easier to use than the OmniTrack one that I was using at CFI. So I will say Platform Science so far is really, really easy to use, and it's really, really easy to figure out where you're going, how you're going to get there. So that's not too bad. The only thing that MVT doesn't have on their tablets that CFI had is a navigation system. They don't have a navigation system on for MVT right now, but that's okay because I have other methods of navigation systems that I can use, so it's not a big deal. And then I still am planning on getting a Garmin anyway, so I'm probably going to get that when I go home this next go around. I'm probably just going to go ahead and bite the bullet and get me a Garmin. So yeah, those are big differences there. Driving is driving. I mean, the truck goes 64 on a governor, and so it's pretty much what I was used to at CFI. It's the same thing at CFI, and the only way you get a boost at CFI is for those 30 minutes. Here, everything is based off of fuel. So this company is very, very high on fuel economy. So if you're doing good fuel economy, they're going to give you, from time to time, they're going to give you a boost on your speed for a little bit. If you're able to prove that you're able to save fuel, then they'll give you that boost. If you're not, then you're never going to get the boost. You're also not going to get any bonuses or anything of that sort if you're not able to fall within a certain criteria for bonuses. So this company, all the bonuses and everything and all the prizes and stuff like that are all based off of fuel economy. So if you're able to meet a certain fuel per mile average, excuse me, or like fuel per per gallon, if you're able to meet a good average, then you're eligible for things like bonuses and you're eligible for things like bonuses and then the speed boost that you would get for saving the company a little bit of fuel. But yeah, so if you're riding, so in this company, if you're riding under 8 miles per gallon, if that's how you're running the truck, you're not going to be able to really be eligible for any bonuses or any fuel or any speed boost or anything like that if you can't find a way to get above it. So that's going to be kind of an interesting one on figuring out what's going to be the best way for me to get the right fuel economy so that I can be eligible for those bonuses and those speed boost incentives and whatnot. But that's kind of nice that they at least offer that. They at least offer an incentive for you for saving some fuel. They give you different things and whatnot as far as cents per mile bonuses and rewards quarterly and rewards prize rewards yearly if you fall within a certain criteria. But yeah, so that's another big difference between here and CFI, because CFI, I don't know if they changed at the turn of the year 2023, but before I had left CFI had no bonuses, no bonus incentives, no fuel incentives. It was just get paid and go. It was just you get paid what you get paid and that's it. Like there was no other incentives with CFI during the year that I was with them. There was no opportunity for fuel bonuses. There was no opportunity for on time or safety or anything like that. So that was kind of a little bit disappointing with CFI. That's not disappointing here, is that at least you have the opportunity to make a little bit of extra money if you do the things correctly here. So that's kind of nice to at least have that kind of incentive available to me. Driving hasn't really been that much of a difference. Driving is driving to me. So as long as I know where I'm going, then driving is driving. It's the same thing. So as far as the truck is concerned,
Location 30.0 miles ahead.
Sorry about that. But the, excuse me, God, see, I'm still having some throat issues. But, this one comes with the 100th anniversary Cummins engine. And, so, which I was very, very excited about, because I've heard that the ProStar Internationals don't have the Cummins engines, and those are the ones that are prone for breakdowns and that are not that good. So the fact that these things have Cummins engines in them, I was very, very excited about that. Very, very happy to see that was the case with these trucks. So it makes driving it very nice. Driving's been very good. So far, knocking on wood, this truck has been pretty solid. It drives almost about the same as the 2023 and the 2019 Kenworths that I drove at CFI. It drives pretty much about the same. And this thing has really, really good torque though. Like the torque on this thing is really, really nice. I had the first load that I took all the way from San Antonio to Alexandria, Minnesota. That load was a 43,000 pound load, and whenever I had to go uphill, it was really, really easy to give that thing some torque. It was really easy to get it up the hill when I had to downshift, and it didn't struggle like the 2023 would, and even the 2019. So this thing has, the turbo must be a little bit different than the turbos in those Kenworths, because it does have really, really good torque regardless of the weight in the truck. So even fully loaded, I can get that thing up a hill, and I'll actually be able to gain speed at the lower gear than actually losing it all the way into the 30s, which is what would happen with the Kenworths. There was just no way to get around it if I was fully loaded. So that's nice. That's nice on these internationals. These things have some oomph to them, have some push. Oh God. Yeah, this thing's got 528,000 miles on it, which is the most I've ever had in a truck. But there's some moments where it does feel like it has over 500,000 miles, and there's some moments where I don't even really notice it. The transmission shifts fine. I don't feel like I have any transmission issues. Everything looks good. There was no leaks on anything. Everything looks clean. They just got, before they assigned the truck to me, they just got all the maintenance and everything done. So, everything's good to go. The, tires are alright. They're not bad. They got, they're not brand new or anything, but they got really, really good tread. I don't have to worry about that. So it was just get in and go pretty much. I do, because of how many miles this thing has on it, I have been spending a little bit more time on my pre-trips every day, just making sure I thoroughly look at everything, because I don't want to get a surprise leak or anything like that. But everything seems to be holding up pretty well so far within the first, 2,500 miles that I've already done in the first week with this truck. So it rides pretty nice. Backing up this thing, as you'll see, as I'll record a backup video here pretty soon. But backing up this thing is also pretty nice, because the power steering is like beautiful on this thing. I don't have any. The steering wheel is nice and easy. I don't feel like I have to fight with it like I did with the 2019 Kenworth, and even to some extent with the 2023 Kenworth. This thing just goes where I tell it to go real quick, and I don't have to fight and use so much like I don't have to use so much of my arm power just to get the wheel to turn as I'm backing up. The only thing about backing up with this truck is that it does have the same thing that the 2023 Kenworth had, which is kind of like that backup boost when you take your foot off the brake. It kind of has like a 0 to 5, like a 0 to 3, like acceleration, auto acceleration as you're backing up. So that's the thing that I was still getting used to with the 2023, and I'm getting APUs on these things, which is new to me. None of the Kenworths that I had APUs, they all had inverters. And so the real nice thing about the APU, at least here on these internationals, let me squeeze over here. So squeeze over to the left here real quick. Get out of this guy's way. Yeah, this way. Come back. Nice thing about the APU is that you don't have to have the truck running idle when you're stopped. You can just turn your truck off, turn the APU on to either heat or cooling, depending on what you want, and it works really freaking well. So yeah, so another way to save fuel and have the company be happy with you and not having it idle, using the APU. And so far so good. I mean, I think I only had one instance where it overloaded, but I think that's because I was messing with something in the truck, and so that was my fault. But other than that, like it seems to be running pretty good. I got my fridge back in here. The microwave, I put my microwave back home. It's a 1,000-watt microwave. I think what I'm gonna do for this company is I'm gonna go buy me just like a 750-watt one, maybe something a little bit smaller, because as you'll see when I do the truck tour, the sleeper cab is smaller than the Kenworth. The bed is real nice and comfortable, but it's way smaller than the Kenworth ones as far as shelf space is concerned, and even the bedding space. But I'll show you how I have everything set up and what my idea is for the new microwave that I'm going to buy going forward. But anyways, yeah, so the APU's been a nice change of pace. It's been something different and getting used to. But this whole schedule thing is something that I'm getting used to too. I was supposed to be getting home every week. So we're going to find out if that's the case, if that's going to be the case, or if that's not going to be the case. But so far, I've been getting good miles. I've already got, in the first week, I've already nailed, I want to say over 2,500 miles in the first week. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 25 to 3,000 a week. So as long as I'm hitting those, then my goals are being met. So we'll see how it continues to go with this company. My fleet manager is really, really freaking cool. So once again, you're lucking out with that. At least so far, she's very, she communicates well, and she seems really nice. She's got her head in the game, which I love. I want somebody that's knowledgeable, that knows what they're doing, that is not just going to half-ass their things. That's not how this new boss seems. So I like it. so far so good here with MVT. We'll see how things go. The one thing I will say is that because of the miles and everything that I'm getting, there's definitely not a lot of time to sit. But hey, I didn't come and sign on with this company so that I could just sit in the truck all day long. That's one of the reasons why I left CFI. So I'm definitely getting that so far. So yeah, so far so good, guys. But yeah, this is I'm on my way to Dallas. I may or may not do a backup video in Dallas. We'll see. If not, backup videos and all that fun stuff with MVT are coming soon. But I set it up. That's right. Yep. I set it up where this is kind of going to be one of my new stationary views, as you're looking at right here. And I think it looks, hopefully it looks pretty good. I'll have to review the camera footage and whatnot, but hopefully it looks pretty good. Hopefully you'll like what you'll see here going forward here with the MVT. So I'll see y'all guys soon. Like I said, I don't know what kind of video I'm going to bring out next, but I'll definitely start pumping these out a little bit more often than I have been. But I kind of wanted to get my feet wet here a little bit. But just to give you an update on how everything's going, how I'm doing, and then we'll go from there, guys. So yeah, keep the rubber side down, metal side up. I'll see y'all very, very soon. Love you guys. Peace.